Hello Jviewers! Welcome here in my channel. This is Jviewers OWWA here in Hong Kong, your friendly Pinay. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification there so that I can update you for my new upload videos. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, thanks for watching. So without further ado, let's go and watch this. Today's video, I will share to you on how to add your Octopus card if nasa MTR station kayo. Pag hindi kayo marunong sa mga baguhan, kasi meron akong yung video ko na yun, matagal na siya, pero still makakatulong sa inyo ng malaki kung paano nyo ilagyan ng laman itong Octopus card nyo na kahit saan kayo pumunta, pwede nyong gamitin sa McDonald's, sa shopping store, basta pagsakay nyo sa MTR. So, ito talaga kailangan. Kahit wala kang dalang pera, pag may Octopus card ka, you're ready to go. Okay? Just watch this video.
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
And secondly, put your card in the yellow side.
Okay.
Yes. And don't move it. Don't move it. Don't take away. Don't take away. Do you see the green line in this one? You can put the $50 or $100 banknotes in this way.
When it become green.
So you can hold your card in here.
Okay.
Okay.
Tapos, tingnan mo, be.
Okay, okay.
Ikuha mo lahat ng video. Just put 100.
Yes, 100.
Okay.
Okay. So.
請繼續放入紙幣，或者喺熒幕上撳
So you
掣。
receive the $100 now.
Okay.
So if you confirm, you can put the button here.
Confirm.
Button amount. Yes.
上按。
Then hold your card. Don't take away until all process completed. Okay. That's okay.
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 Okay, that's okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
Tanungan na hindi nasagot ng video ito, don't forget to comment below for your more clarifications, suggestions, and some questions. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification there so that I can update you for my new upload videos. Once again, this is Jviewers OWWA here in Hong Kong, your friendly Pinay. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!